Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. And after today's price movement, the price just continues to drift lower and lower, so much so that I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. I mean, sure, that level still pertains, but there's just a much more important level of support to keep an eye on. And just from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have lines and clutter everywhere, I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And that main level of resistance that now comes into play and that a lot of people are going to be watching because it's a very important area is that pink line right there. It's on my chart denotes the very famous, very well-known 200 period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it $16.15. And even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, then from a bullish standpoint, yeah, you definitely want to see the price stay above it. And to be fair, even though the price is drifting lower and lower downwards, it is still up above that level, but that is certainly one of those areas, and I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to come down and then break through that pink line, at that point, you would quite literally have the price essentially right back to where it was before that big old explosion right there. And I mean, not to insult anyone's intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength or anything like that. So keep a very close eye on that 16.15 mark, which again is the value of the 200 period moving average. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if the price does decide to try to bounce back upwards, still have that area up there at 1750, which I talked about extensively in Wednesday's video. But as of right now, not really relevant. So yeah, things are looking shaky. Yeah, the price is just slowly drifting downwards now. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not to close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.